The first step to working with matrices on your CAS calculator is that you need to define them as a matrix. So to do that, you press Menu, then you Actions and Define, or you could just type Define, and we say, let's say we're doing matrix A equals, okay, and then you go to your matrix and you can choose a 2 by 2 or a 2 by 1 or a 1 by 2. I think I got them the wrong way around. Or you can choose this one, which allows you to choose however many there are. So let's just do a 3 by 3, and then you put in your values, so 5, 3, 6, 8, 4, 7, 1, 2, 9. Press enter, and it says done. So that is now defined as A. So I can work with A as a matrix. So if I do the same thing and we define a matrix B, let's again just do a 3 by 3. Just some random numbers in that one, and done. Okay, so now I can work with those. I can do A minus B and press enter, and it will give me the answer. You can't see what I'm typing there, that might make it a bit easier, get rid of that glare. I can do A plus B, press enter. I can do A times B, press enter. Okay, so all of those things that we've been doing, you can work out like this. If you do determinant A, it will calculate the determinant for you, so that's if you're doing inverses. You can do A to the power of -1 will get you the inverse matrix, okay, and you can do A to the power of 6 if you're working with transition matrices. Alright, so everything I've shown you how to do by hand in the other videos, you can do on your calculator here. However, it's important you know how to do it by hand, because there are going to be some questions where you need to do it by hand. Alright, but the most important thing you need to know is that determinant one, because if you're working with any matrix larger than 2 by 2, you need to be able to do it on your calculator. But everything comes down to defining the matrix, and then you can do whatever you want with them. So just to run you over that, menu, actions, define, okay, let's do C equals, alright, and then to find the matrices, it's different on the black ones to the grey ones, but it's in here, in this button here, right, that brings up this here, and then you can, if you're just doing a 2 by 2, you can choose that one, or if you're doing one of those two, you can choose that. If you're doing anything different, you'll have to choose the 3 by 3 one, and then you can choose from there. That's it. That's how you use your calculator to work out matrices.